Okay, and your name?
Freddie.
And how did you hear about our office, Freddie?
Oh, it's a funny story, actually. I have three ladies that I play Scrabble with that are just wonderful. We played 2.5 hours of Scrabble one night, and they all looked at me at the end of the two games and said, "What is wrong with you? You look like you're going to cry." And I said, "Oh, I just have the worst neck." And so they told me how sorry they were, etc. And then one of them said, "I've got the answer to that. I want you to go see Dr. Shapiro." I've never been to a chiropractor before, and I'm obviously a senior citizen, but she just went on and on about how he could help me. And indeed, I made an appointment the following day, and it was the best thing I've done for myself in a very long time.
And what changes have you noticed from before to now?
Oh my gosh, when I first came in, and I wouldn't say I was grouchy because that's just not my nature, but I just wasn't myself, came in kind of slumped over because I hurt so much. Not sure I had a big smile on my face, which I usually do, and just kind of wore the tag that, boy, there's something wrong with this woman. And so I came in to Dr. Shapiro and told him, that I just had 24-hour pain, 7 days a week, and that it was difficult for me to drive because I didn't have sufficient range of motion, and that it was affecting my whole life. Mm-hmm. I had worked well into my 70s. I led a full, active, very rewarding life, and all of a sudden I had become a couch potato because my neck hurt so bad. It affected every phase of my life, and so I was just excited to try anything so that I would feel better.
And so what changes have you noticed? What things could you do now that maybe you couldn't do before?
Oh my gosh, it has affected my entire life. Wow. I am back to being myself again. Dr. Shapiro literally gave me my life back. I am out with friends, I'm walking my dog more, I'm going to the pool, I'm just having fun like I always have in life. And I just can't believe the difference it has made my 3 months of coming to see Dr. Shapiro. It's been a blessing to me. It's been a blessing to my family. They see the difference in me in all aspects of my life. And I would recommend Dr. Shapiro to any and all people who have pain in any part of their body.